Every day, students passed by Mr. Eli, the quiet, gray-haired janitor, without a second glance. He always wore the same faded uniform, pushing his mop and cleaning the halls of St. Agnes Academy. Most students thought he was just the cleaner. Some even made fun of him. But no one knew Mr. Eli had once been a brilliant engineer with a heartbreaking past. Even in silence, he observed everything. Details no one cared to notice. Then one ordinary Tuesday, something strange happened, and only Mr. Eli noticed. Mr. Eli noticed something strange. A pipe near the science lab was steaming in the cold. The students laughed and walked by, but Mr. Eli kept watching the pipe carefully. Mr. Eli checked the science lab but said nothing. He needed to be sure first. When the school was quiet, Mr. Eli came back with his old toolbox. He saw the pressure was too high. Something could explode if left like this. He left a warning note for the principal, but no one ever saw it. He studied the school's blueprints and found a crack in a main valve. Leaking fumes were near the cracked pipe. A tiny spark could cause a fire. That night, he stayed behind, planning the repair alone. He didn't have fancy tools, but he knew how to fix the damage. At 3:47 a.m., the alarm went off. He had seconds to stop a disaster. He opened the valve, but sparks flew behind him. There wasn't much time. Through the heat and steam, he stayed calm and rerouted the pressure. He made a quick seal and fixed the crack just in time. Finally, everything stopped. The danger was gone, and no one even knew. The next morning, school started as normal. Mr. Eli said nothing. Later, a teacher saw security footage and couldn't believe what she saw. The staff found out what he did. Everyone was amazed and thankful. The story spread fast. Soon, an assembly was called for Mr. Eli. He stepped onto the stage quietly, looking at the crowd. "Being quiet helps you notice things others miss," he said softly. His story was on the news. Everyone now knew the silent hero. A student created a scholarship in his name to honor him. He got a new job offer, but chose to stay and keep cleaning. Now everyone respects Mr. Eli, the quiet janitor who saved them all. Mr. Eli shows us that quiet people can be the greatest heroes. If this story touched your heart, share and subscribe for more inspiring tales.